There it is. Okay, we're out of here, brother. We're out of here, brother. We made it. We're almost out of the woods. Threat level midnight. That should be the title of the video, bro.
Right. So we just got all the way here to the bridge. And
it's the most insane ride.
Yeah, it was an incredible ride, and the camera was in photo mode, so we have no footage. Yes, sir.
So we're gonna start it now.
So now we're gonna start from the end and go backwards.
I don't know how that works.
I don't either. We're gonna figure it out. All right, but we found the bridge. Look.
Yeah. This is the bridge.
This is the bridge we were looking for. The secret bridge. We've never been here.
This, like, you can tell.
They just built this bridge.
Yeah, they got like new.
And we came all the way here. It's about to rain. It's about to get dark. And now we got to get home before dark, or we're going to be stranded on the road.
All right, y'all enjoy the ride back. All right. So how did that work? You press the button.
They took a photo. They took a photo.
But the light was red, like it was recording.
Yeah, it was red, but it was like a photo red. All right, let's see if we can get home.
Right. He looked at it and made sure. Yeah, I looked. But you looked at the footage and you saw.
No, no, what? Oh.
I didn't get anything.
I didn't get any of it. Go, go. Watch it, watch it, watch it. Oh my gosh. Oh.
And it gets dark.
And it gets dark. Nothing.
You didn't catch it the whole time and it just didn't. Now that's a funny comment.
Oh, I love you so.
You know I love you. I know.
This place is amazing, I'll tell you that.
I'm a street rider myself, personally. Oh yeah.
What? What?
Hey guys, what do y'all prefer, street or trail riding?
Yeah, but we got...
I'm a street rider myself, personally. Well, I'm more of
yeah, leave a comment.
Leave a comment down below what you are. I'm more of a tricker than a street rider, but that's me. Let me know if you are a trail rider or a street rider.
I'm trail. I love trail.
I like the atmosphere of trail, but I don't like riding.
This is a crazy atmosphere. I hope it comes out in camera, because this is crazy.
And we'll have to tell you about it.
Dude, you alright?
Yeah, it's fine.
Dude, you alright?
He didn't fall. Well, you gotta, I don't even know if you got that on camera.
Dude, there's lightning bugs all over.
I know, it's pretty sick. This thing, I need to take a shower so I don't get poison ivy. I don't think I can get poison ivy. I don't know.
I can definitely get poison ivy.
Hey. It's only an epic dodge.
Look, here.
Yeah.
Oh, you're running off the trail, bud. Oh. Okay.
Watch that spider web.
You want it to be ahead.
I want to be ahead, but I want you to be on me. Watch it, watch it, watch it, watch it. Hole, big hole. Big hole, big hole.
Oh, I made it over.
All right, just go ahead.
I can't see nothing with this. Like, my vision don't work in the car.
All right, let's just keep going.
You know, I'm practically blind. I can't see, like...
There it is. Okay, we're out of here, brother. We're out of here, brother.
Ain't out of the woods yet.
We made it. We're almost out of the woods.
Still in the woods.
Threat level midnight. That should be the title of the video, bro. Threat level midnight.
That's Michael Scott's movie.
Michael Scott.
In the office.
Oh my gosh. Threat level midnight from The Office.
Hey, slow down when you get up there, okay?
Threat level midnight. I might open up the daggum.
Hey, there's another funny mic'd up moment.
Whoa, my.
Hey, thanks for watching the video so far. It's not over, we gotta get home. It is almost dark, as you can see, if you look around. We have been in there for probably 30 minutes. Yeah, boy, hit that like right here, and hit that sub right below it. Look.
You alright, your foot?
Everything.
Everything hurts?
Yep.
Well,
And with the foot and the toe. But
dude, that blue light is crazy on camera.
talk about my blue, I mean, look at your purple. It's pretty sick looking.
Is my purple sick? Don't drop it.
Look at that color. Dude, that looks sick.
It's good? I can't tell. On camera, it's glowing.
I can't tell mine either, but it's glowing. Put your feet in the same spot in the middle of the board.
They're in for the night.
Huh?
So they're in for the night, I think.
No, he's right there.
Oh, they're right there? Oh, there they come.
There he is.
There he is. There, it's on now.
Ooh, I love you so. You know I love you. I love you.
Let's just fight through it and get home.
Okay. Chill, bro. Now that's what you call some Thursday night exploring, you know? You know, it kind of feels like a Friday because I'm off tomorrow, but it ain't.
You need to heal that foot.
Oh.
Come on this, or no. Right here, come close. Yeah, close the gate.
Hey, thanks for watching. We made it home right at dark. Leave a like, subscribe, leave a comment. Tell us if you would rather trail or street as a reminder. And I'll see you on the next one. See ya. Peace.
Threat level midnight? Is that what it is? Threat level midnight? Give it 5, bro. Love you, kid. Threat level midnight. Bro, that's crazy.
What, the ride or that Michael Scott made a name like that?
Everything. Okay, plug my board.
This should work.
That was a long one. How many miles? Let's look. Let's look it real quick.
Probably like 7 or 8.
Top speed reset. Do you really? No, I don't want to reset my top speed. What are you talking about? Let's
Well, you
see.
might have to. Don't let the wifey see it.
Oh,
Huh?
look, I got us.
How much?
6.2 miles.
No, I thought you said that's good.
6.2 miles.
Huh?
Hey, they voted.
that had-
Look, listen. They voted. Wanted the secret trail ride,
Oh yeah.
and we got it.
Hey, thanks for commenting on the last video and saying and guessing the top speed. The right speed was about 20 miles an hour. So, all right.
Peace out.